Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a body paint! The idea for today is to try to turn myself into a cyborg or android. We will see in the end. Recently I got some very nice neon pigments and pigmented eyeliners and stuff like that, and I'm dying to try them because I really love the color scheme of neons. So if you're ready for that, let's start! Hair is up, glasses are here, and I'm ready to start. So, as always, I'm gonna start by doing the basic lines, and for this, I'm gonna use this tiny existence right here. This is from NYX Professional Makeup Slide On Glide On, a pencil that I don't really like if you have watched my previous body paints, so that's why I'm using it here to not make waste. So, I'm gonna draw the lines and I will come back to tell you what's next. As you can see, the lines are here and I'm about to add some black body paint. I'm using the one from Spiegel. This is called Schwarz, it's a black one. And I'm gonna fill the in-between parts of the lines here in order to create that void part between my natural skin and my robot skin. Now that I finished with the black parts, it's time to fill the triangle right here. I'm planning to make it kinda like the heart or something like that, so for this reason I'm gonna go with this pastel eyeliner. It's a very nice pastel green. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if this is gonna give me the neon result that I have in my mind. If not, I'm gonna add some pigment on the top. This eyeliner, by the way, is from Makeup by Tammy. Cake liner. It doesn't have the name on the plastic here, so I cannot really guide you there. I'm gonna make it wet and I'm gonna fill the triangle now. What do you think about my robotic heart? Isn't it cool? So I'm planning to add some extra details, but later. Right now I want to focus on how I will do this more 3D in general. That's why I have already applied some concealer on my hand. The concealer that I'm gonna use today is this one right here. This is from e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. It's a very covering and matte concealer, which I'm gonna put around the blacks to make them pop. I have done this part, so I'm gonna show you how I will do the rest of it. Next step is to work with the shadows, and for this purpose I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is Going Coconuts from Colourpop, and as you can see I have loved this palette. This is perfect for shading. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this one. This is from Morphe M152, and firstly I'm gonna go with Culada, and if I feel that I want something darker I will go with Nutty right here. Next step is to create some screws, and for this purpose I'm gonna use my brand new Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX. This is the limited edition in collaboration with La Casa de Papel. Very nice one, and it's golden. The actual eyeliner is golden. The product has no difference from the classic one, but the packaging and everything is so different and much more luxurious. Also, I'm gonna fill my screws with this palette, Athena, and using the metallic grey that they have, this one, almost silver-ish. So yeah, this is gonna be the filling, and let's do it! I'm gonna fill all my metallic parts with this pigment right here. This is from NYX and it's in the shade Magnetic. It's a very nice greyish pigment, and I think that this will fit perfectly to what I have in my mind. Now I'm gonna take another pigment, and here we have Jungle from the makeup company Fairy. This is a Swedish brand. very good pigment. I have used it in a lot of makeups. I'm super happy, but the bad thing is that it has that plastic lid. I don't know how easy I can open it with these nails, but anyway. And next step is to take again the eyeliner right here and try to create some, I don't know, digital parts, I would say. You will see anyway. We are moving on to my favorite part of this makeup, and now I'm gonna add some cables, but I'm gonna add them with glitter, of course with glitter. So I'm gonna take from Urban Decay Soul Love. I'm looking down because I'm searching for it on my desk. This is a chaos as always. It's not on my desk, but anyway. So this is a very nice blue glitter, and I'm gonna create some cables with this. I don't know if I want more or if I want other colors as well. Maybe I can choose a red one. I have several very nice and promising red glitters, but I'm not really sure. I'm gonna see how it's gonna be only with the greens, and then I will tell you if I decide to add anything more. The body paint part has finished, and now I'm gonna move on to my face. As always, I'm gonna start with my eyes in order to make sure that I'm doing the correct steps here. So instead of using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm gonna go with this one. This is from Concrete Minerals, the Obsidian Eye Primer. I have a code, I think, with Concrete Minerals if you wanna buy anything. I'm gonna leave it down at the description box. I'm gonna take a good amount in order to create a very dark base and make all the glittery colors to pop a little bit more, because we are dealing with a robot here. So let's see. I don't know if you noticed, but I actually applied my first color on the eyes. I didn't mention it because it's exactly the same that I was using all the time. Magnetic from NYX Professional Makeup. And now I'm gonna continue with this one, the green that I was using. This is the Jungle from Fairy. So I'm gonna continue by applying this, and then I will end with a very dark and deep blue. But I'm gonna say more about that later. Next, as I already told you, I'm gonna go with a matte blue, and for this reason I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is from Colourpop, and the shadow is called the Fates. Oh, I didn't mention the palette. The palette is called Misunderstood. I don't know if it is discontinued or not, but I think that was a limited edition Disney collaboration that Colourpop has done once. So yeah, I'm gonna go with a fluffier brush, like, I don't know, this one right here maybe. I'm gonna take an amount and I'm gonna do the upper part of my eye. Let me tell you what I have done until now. So first of all, I finished my eye look using the black eyeshadow from this palette, Misunderstood. The black is called Revenge, and it has some tiny shimmers. It's so nice. I loved it. I love the whole eye look. It gives that robotic vibe that I really would like to have for today. Also, I fixed my base, so I used from NYX Professional Makeup the Marshmallow Primer. I think I have shown to you how I'm using it, so I don't feel that there is a point to do it every time. Also, as a foundation, I have used two here. First of all, Lumen Matte Oil Control Foundation, which is way too light for my skin, and then from Aden the Full HD High Definition, which is way too dark, so if I'm using them together then I have the perfect foundation for my skin tone. Then I set everything with powder, and now I'm ready to continue with the whole robotic shape on the face. I will finish with my face by doing the screws with the typical procedure that I have done all my screws today. First of all, Athena palette and the silver, and then NYX's pigment, the magnet. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So, as you can see, I have done an android, and so in Greek we would say androides. Say with me, androides. Actually, today I'm gonna ask you, of course, to write a comment down below using the word androides, but to tell me if this word has a translation to your own language, because I don't think that it actually has a translation. I think the only reason that it has a translation in Greek is because it's actually a Greek word. So yeah, it's gonna be a very interesting conversation. See you down at the comments! The last step here is to fix the lips, and actually for today I'm gonna use the lip pencil right here. This is from Linda Halberry and Aden Cosmetics, Guilty Mood. I don't know if this is the series or the name, I think it's the name. And basically I'm gonna do only the upper lip, obviously. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the multiple products and textures that we have created on this face. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope that I made you a little bit happier with this look today. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you actually like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, which is gonna be Catlady Antigoni, down here. Also, you can subscribe to this channel and ring the bell in order to make sure that you're not gonna miss all the body paint tutorials, all the makeup tutorials, and some chit-chat videos that I'm having every now and then. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye! And here we have an Easter egg. For those of you that stayed until now, I should tell you that I forgot to apply lashes, so here is my final look with lashes. I think they change a lot. Thank you so much for staying until the end of my videos. Love you a little bit more.